J-stroke. So this is kind of used really when maybe you get a real stubborn knot, for instance. If I was working around a client and they had a real stubborn knot, we want to kind of confuse the muscle and the tissue a little bit. So if I was using my thumbs, I'm press down and then it's like a stretch. And as you can see, they call it a J-stroke because it looks a little bit like a J there. But what I want to do is actually confuse their muscles. So it's not like this. I want to get some weight in there and a little bit of speed to try and confuse those muscles. And using again, it's just your shoulders and allowing yourself. Just be careful that you're not pushing inwards and that you're pinching, that the movement is actually down, 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 down. And again, if it's a bigger surface area that you need to cover, it can be done with the fingers, and it can actually be done with the forearms. I've got the cross hand stretch. So the cross hand stretch is bringing the heels of the hand close together. So on either side now, the erector spinae muscles, either side of the spine. And again, it's about allowing that time for the body to just open up for us, and for the heat of the hands to just melt in to the client's tissues. And again, I'm just going to move a little bit faster because obviously this is just to remind you of what you're doing. And then I'm going to start pushing the heels of my hands away from each other, but I'll only go if the client's tissues will let me through. If they're not, I just stay there and wait for it to let me through. And you might find one hand will move more easier than the other, and one may stick. Again, allow the client's body to tell you what to do. And actually, my left hand is actually moving more than my right hand at this moment in time. That's actually moving away. You might be able to see that. So this is going a little bit deeper into the fascia. I'm working and stretching.